Meaning of fighter plane.
Fighter plane.
Fighter plane.
Fighter plane.
Fighter plane. A fighter plane, also known as a fighter jet or simply a fighter, is a military aircraft designed primarily for air-to-air combat against other aircraft. They are typically fast, maneuverable, and heavily armed with guns, missiles, and other weapons. Fighter planes have played a significant role in aerial warfare throughout history, with notable examples being the F-15 Eagle, the Su-27 Flanker, and the MiG-29 Fulcrum. These aircraft can also be used for ground attack missions, reconnaissance, and other tasks, making them versatile assets in modern militaries around the world.